Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix if scroll bar not showing in Microsoft Excel. So open Microsoft Excel, click on File, then here click on Options, then Advanced, scroll down and here you need to find out Setting, Display Options for this workbook. So if this both box is are not selected, so select them, show horizontal scroll bar and show vertical scroll bar. Select both, then click on OK. So now we can see this both scroll bar. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.